Sankit, I made you host, okay na?
Yes, sir. Good evening, guys. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
This is good evening.
Okay, let me confirm. Will you able to? Ankita, can you give me the hosting?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please confirm you will able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Today we are going to the controlling area. Okay. In FI main topics are over. Accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset accounting, and GL accounting. And under that, there is a few subordinate topics. Okay. In FI area, so we are comparing general ledgers, accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset, right? So in accounts payable, we are done with manual, payment, and automatic. That's the APP. In AR, we have done the down payment we done and normal invoice we done in AR. Asset accounting, we run the depreciation. So main topics as over in FI, LEC 6.0. And next we are going to the controlling area. So controlling it is nothing but it is controlling nothing. It is a operating concern and it is the head of the department controlling. Like how is a company code? Okay, how the company code acts. Similarly, controlling areas will act on in controlling area, controlling side. Similarly, plant is the main hierarchy. Okay, and in FI, company code is the main hierarchy. Okay, in CO, controlling in controlling the controlling area is the main hierarchy. Okay, so what do you mean by controlling? FI stands for external reporting purpose. Okay, and COE stands for internal reporting purpose. Okay, so what do you mean by external reporting, internal reporting? External reporting, whatever the profit and loss and balance sheet, it is disclosed to the all the shareholders and the government. But that's why this calling as external reporting purpose. What are the profit and loss and balance sheet? It is disclosed to the to everyone. And coming to internal reporting purpose is nothing but, for example, okay, this is the office. Okay, just example, as a CEO, you are to be the one of the manager, company head of that. So now you want to know what's going in the all the departments. So for example, you got there is some price variance differences of 1,000 rupees. Or just assume 10,000 rupees. So now you want to know that where is the difference, right? You want to know where you got the loss. So if you want to know about this one, so you should be okay. You want to okay. If you want to know all the details, I needed a system. Okay, I needed some system. It integrates. It integrates to the all the modules. PP data should become here. Production department data. Warehouse data. Quality management data. Okay. So anyway, purchase is coming from MM side. Okay. So now as a CEO, I want to know what is the cost of the product. Cost of the product. So what do you mean by cost of the product? So you see that MRP rate, right? When you're purchasing, you see the MRP rate. Okay, MRP rate is nothing but it's a cost of product. So how do you define? How do you calculate this cost of the product? Okay, for example, you purchase a raw material. So you're manufacturing computer. Okay, for computer manufacturing, what is the raw materials? Is a hard disk, comma, monitor, comma, CPU, comma, so etc. Okay, so you purchase all the materials, just assume it's 8,000 rupees. Okay, and guys, can you tell me that what will be the price after these are raw material of computer? Okay, so you purchased overall the cost will be the overall the raw material of computer is 8,000 rupees. Now tell me what is the budget for this? So what is the rate you're going to put you?
Yes, sir.
So you have the company. Ankita, can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have the company. Okay, you have the business that is you are manufacturing the computer. Okay, for the
Yes.
manufacturing of the computer, so you purchase the raw material, whatever the required raw material for computer. You purchase all the raw material with the price of 8,000 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. Now it's a computer as a finished good. Computer is done, prepared. Now you are selling this computer. So what is the price you are going to sell? You purchase the raw material of 8,000 rupees. And now, so what is the amount you're going to sell the computer?
Including they will add labor charges and everything, sir.
So what is that?
Labor charges.
Okay.
Labor charges and overall computer making charges with GST.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Same like here. Okay. So what is the overall charges, electrical charges, transport charges, labor charges? Okay. The material putting to the warehouse, that's a godown charges, warehouse charges. Okay. While doing the manufacturing, if any screws or anything is happened damaged, then that was also included here, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
If anything is damaged, a screw or something missed or something went, so that's also is included in there. So whatever total expenses, this is called as a miscellaneous expenses, or we can call it the overhead expenses. Okay. Then you can finalize the price. So the total overall the budget is a 10,000. Here total mix expenses will be the 2,000. Just assume 2,000 rupees. Okay. Now 8,000 plus 2,000 equal to 10%, right? This is the total cost. So where it will be coming here? How can you identify where it coming? So the labor, warehouse, this all comes under production area. Okay, this production comes under, all the things will comes under production side. Okay. Okay, all the manufacturers going to the production side, warehouse, okay, purchase will be here and material will be here, quality check. So now there is a one topic. So this all the departments is going to integrating with the CO module. Okay, that is a control. So in the controlling, so we have the few activities to get the what is happening in the control other departments. So we want to know, right? So for that we have we have to do some configurations in the controlling area. So what are those? So we have to configure controlling area. Then we have to configure cost elements. Then cost centers, profit center, activity types, internal orders, okay, and product cost. So after doing this, you can assume the what is the product, what is the cost of the product. So these topics will be covered under controlling area. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to do that? How to do configuration? So go to the SAP controlling, general controlling, organization, maintain controlling area. Double click on maintain controlling area. New entries. So give me a controlling area. So I'm giving same as my company code. M8 map. Who is the responsible? Okay. Responsible person. So user not required. Next make it is a controlling area, same as company code. Okay. Then click on here. Controlling area equal to company code. Give me a company code F8 map. So it's automatically will comes here. Okay. So where we define this one, we are defined this one in the general ledger account. So here you are given that our controlling is same equal to company code. Both are same. Maintain the same financial, both are everything same. Then it automatically comes here.
So that currency type is also
INR, right?
yes. So
Okay.
so INR number is 10.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So now here it's asking the cost center standard error. CCTR. CCTR stands for cost centers. So what is a cost center? I will explain the next session. But here to go out from here, we need to use some identification. So what I'm giving CCTR. CCTR stands for cost center. Okay, CCT. Okay, cost center for MAP map. Okay, just I'm giving some name here. Cost center map. Enter. And you will see that what's happening next tomorrow, next session. Okay, then double click on activate components. Save. new entries. Okay. Forgot to see. Okay, data was saved. Now double click on activate components. New entries. No company code assigned to the okay. Okay, go to assignment of company code here. And select. Map. Double click on assignment. New entries. Assign your company code. Maybe save. Select this one. Double click on activate components. New entries. What is the financial year? Financial year 2026. Cost center. Component should be active. Activity types. Profit center. Click on the profit center accounting here. Order management active. Commitment management will be the active. Activity based on activity and parallel calculations. Okay. And save it. Okay. Data was saved. Back. So next, maintain imbalances for controlling area. Give me a controlling area, MAP map. Enter. So here, don't use anyone here. Just click on the groups. Okay, click on the maintain groups. Click on the create. So I'm going to create MAP map and save it. Back. Okay, map is allocated here. Okay, select your map and click on point and click on element group as an element group. Select this one and OK. Okay, just create the group and save it. Back. Now go to the maintain versions. Okay, select 0. Double click on settings for each fiscal year. Give me a controlling area. Okay. So here, just check with version is locked or not. If it is not there, then okay. So version is locked, nothing but if the financial is over. So if they were not using anything, okay, at the time you can click here version is locked. Otherwise, it's not required. And operating person. Is not required that much. So this is the controlling area configurations. Now how to integrate with FI to CU. Okay. Now we've done the configuration controlling area, then created the controlling area. Now I want to get the details, whatever the posting is happening in FI, it should be route to the controlling area. Okay, then how can we route? So in controlling area, controlling, we are calling them as a cost elements. So cost elements is nothing but GLs. In FI, we are giving the GLs, general ledgers. So in same GLs, we are in cost controlling. We are using for cost, we are calling it cost elements. Okay, in FI, there's a GL. In controlling, the GLs will calling as a cost elements. Okay, so how to route them? So cost elements are, there's a two tabs. One is the primary. Second one is the revenue cost elements. Okay, so what are the primary cost elements? All the expenses GLs comes under primary cost elements. And all income GLs comes under revenue cost elements. Okay. And how about the assets and liabilities? Assets and liabilities not comes under controlling area. Okay. So then how to create these cost elements? So just close this one. Just come down to Windows area, accounting, controlling, cost elements, master cost elements, individual processing, create primary cost elements. So cost element. So salary is 4 lakhs. Give me a salary is GL number 4 lakhs. Valid from 01/04/2026. Enter. Okay, salary is here. Cost element category. It is in primary cost elements. And save it. So like this, you can create the cost elements. Okay, and then next cost element. So depreciations, if you want to create the
Sir,
cost elements. Yes.
in that valid date, you had selected that 4 times 9 means 31st 12 4 times 9.
Okay. 4 lakhs 12. Here.
Yes.
So we don't write up to the cost elements when you go and run. It will be
Yes.
not 1 year, 2 years, right? It's not the, we don't know, right?
Yes.
So up to 4 nines means 9,910 years. The person can use this cost limits, GS.
Okay.
Okay, not only particular. If you given the particular month, 1 year, then second year again you have to come to you have to take the cost limits. So this is valid from 1/4/2026 to until the 4 nines.
Okay.
Okay. So cost element category is the primary cost elements that is comes under 4 lakhs to comes under expenses. Yeah. Then income. So asset sell. So like this, you can get the cost elements. So now you can post the entry in F-02. Company code, currency rate, INR, account. So what are the cost elements I created there? 4 lakhs. That's the salaries. Enter. Amount is 1,000. Test. Cost element. Posting key 50. So back. Enter. So account 4 lakhs request. Save object. Okay. So for this, we have to define the percentage. So because it shows the cost element, right? So for cost elements, we have to create the cost centers. Okay. Tomorrow we can see the cost centers creation, how to do cost centers. So then we are going to profit center. After that, directly we are going to the sorry, there is a few things configuration. MMT SD we have to do configuration. And before going to S4 HANA, okay, before going to S4 HANA, we have to do the MM to F5 integration. Okay. Then SD to F5 integrations. Once it's done, then we are discussing tomorrow is the profits and cost centers. Okay. And profit center we are going to discuss. Then MM to F5, F5 to SD integrations. And MuGL concept. Okay, in ECC. So after completion of this one, we are moving to the S4 HANA systems. Okay. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, and practice up to here.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
for this, if we need only GL configurations required for controlling configurations. Okay, it's a no need to go with the accounts, people accounts if you want practice. Okay, once you complete the GL, then you can actually go to the controlling area. You can configure there.
Sir, I am practicing on a new company code, that is GEPL, and
Okay.
I am having an error while posting a document that it is showing no item display. Item display error is showing there.
No item category, right?
Yes.
Okay. For that, do one thing. Item category not as in the right. Go to the general financial accounting. Okay. General ledger accounting. Business transactions. Document splitting. activate document splitting. If you see the message, there is no item category. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the path. Just come down to the activate document splitting. So go to a deactivation for company code. Select your company code. Okay. You
Yes.
see that here you see the inactive, it will be unselected, right?
Yes.
Just click on here. Means the document splitting is inactivated. If you click on this one, it's going to be inactivated and save it. Okay. Just do the tick mark here and save. Okay.
What will happen if we do this process? What is the purpose?
Okay. Document splitting, it covers under a new GL concept.
New
Okay.
GL concept.
Okay, it will be covered here. So till now we didn't go there, right? So so if if you want to move, then the system will throw the errors. Okay. So then
Yes.
so we have to deactivate this document splitting.
Okay.
Then only system will give the is moving to forward, give the access to.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Do practice up to you. Thank you.